Well, good morning there. It's been a little while since I've done a shipping video, but I thought I'd share this morning's shipping. This is this coffee mug, NBC, from Elmira, New York. Elmira, Corning, Binghamton, actually. Okay. So, yeah. Let's just get started. And I think we're going to use this. Alright, just checking to make sure you could still see. I hope everybody's doing great. I actually, last night, I discovered in the send an offer section on eBay that you could send a bulk. I didn't know you could send bulk offers. So I sent a bulk offer with 15% off, and I had 7 sales last night. 4 of them within like 5 minutes of doing of offering the sale. Let's see, that should be there. Ow! Oh, ow! I have a knee that's been barking at me. I've heard it a long time ago. Stuck it in a hole. Stuck my foot in a hole while I was cutting grass at a church I used to attend. And yeah, so that was so that's been a thing ever since. I walked with a cane for a while. It was so bad. That was a long time ago. It's been a while. I've been just all this moving moving the shop and everything, and hugging and everything, hauling and lugging and all that kind of stuff I should mark this so I don't forget what's in it. It's just been, I don't see my pens that I had here. It's been a while since I've done a video. I guess I've been cleaning up down here and moving things. Let's say I've been trying to be more organized. Nah, that can't be it. Alright, what was this anyway? This was a mug. Put mug on there. Okay, what's next? Let's do these tube socks. Tube socks. Brookdale. I never heard of them. I couldn't find any Brookdales when I was looking them up, so I don't really know, but I am going to just put those in a bag, I think. Don't you think? I think a bag would be fine for those. It's not like I charge an arm and a leg for them. I mean, I think I charged $11 plus shipping. Probably shouldn't need to mark those. I should probably be able to figure out what that is if I forget, don't you think? I think so. I have to put this in the trash bag. Oh, man, that knee is killing me this morning. What's next here? Let's do this little Spartus alarm clock. Let's do that. Just gonna throw this over here. I'm just gonna wrap that like that. I'm gonna just stick it in the box, and I don't need to wrap it tight. It's not gonna go anywhere. I'm gonna put this in here. Just like that. Okay, clock. Alright, 2 down. 3 down. That was 3, wasn't it? That was 3. Okay, so these things. I have 2 of these. 1, a 2. But they're actually different because they go like a frame. That's very nice. Very nice. Alright. I have no idea how I'm going to wrap these. How I'm going to box them. Not a clue. I guess I'm just going to start. There's one. Three of them. So this weekend is one of the biggest tourist weekends of the year here in Wellsboro, Pennsylvania. There's a special shindig going on in town called Dickens of a Christmas. You can look it up. They probably got a thing. People actually come from all over the country to come to this thing. And the traffic outside my house today is horrendous. They just keep coming. I'm going to put something in between those two. Okay, you think? I think that'll be alright. Yep. So I am not going into town today. No way. There's no parking anyway. When this weekend comes, they actually have people park outside of town and they shuttle them in. And they close down some of the streets in town for this thing. It's amazing. And the local theater usually does a Christmas Carol, and they have little skits out in the streets, and it's all very neat. Tons of craft vendors and all that kind of stuff like that, all kinds of Christmassy things. And a lot of people actually dress up in period clothing for Dickens. It's all very interesting. I've only gone a couple of times because I'm not, I've mentioned before, I'm not really into crowds. Don't really like crowds much. It's not that I don't like them, I don't feel very comfortable in a crowd. Okay, so there's that. I think that's good. Now we need a box, I think. This one. I think this one. I hope this one. I think that should be good. 10 by 8 by 6. I probably had another box around here, but I don't want to go rooting for a box. Just want to be doing the work bit. Oh well. Okay, let's put some other stuff in here though. Not that. should be good. Don't you think it should be good? I think it should be good. Might actually be a little too good. Oh, that's good. I was thinking maybe it was gonna bulge, the air packs were gonna bulge the box. I don't like to do, because then the box gets pushed on, and I'm always afraid that the air packs will pop inside the box. So pop goes the box. So these were cherubs. I'm just gonna put share, so people think that it's something from the 70s. Alright, and we got a postcard. So I'm going to take the postcard, and I'm going to grab, no, not that, this one. Beautiful, let's do that. Grab my little thing. I had some bags around here, little plastic bags. I redid the basement, and I think I might have taken them upstairs. I redid things down here, so I'm just gonna stick it in this here bag here. I don't know why I took them. I must have. I'm pretty sure I took them upstairs. All little bags. Okay, hold that way. And then make sure that postcard, yep, it's down on the cardboard. And I can do this. That should keep it pretty safe. It's stiff, and I'm just gonna put it in the envelope. Let's hope they don't smash it. Let's hope they don't bend it. You never know. Should be good though. You think? Or should I put it? I don't really want to put it in a box. Maybe I should. What do I usually do? I don't remember. I never keep track of what I do when I ship stuff. I'm not totally confident with that, so I'm going to put it in a box. But it's not like I made that much money on it anyway. I could just... No, don't. I think it only sold for like $9 and something with tax and everything. Oh well. It's still gonna be pretty light. Of course, the box adds to the cost there because it's one of the ones that I bought. Okay, so I'm gonna put postcard. And then the last thing I'm gonna ship today is... The last thing I have is this box. It's just the box for an old PC game. There's no PC, there's no card, there's no game in it. It said right in the listing, no game. No game, no discs, just the box. That's all they get is the box. I mean, it wasn't expensive. That also, however, is going to need a box. So we'll just do that. some air packs in there. I had a sale last night. Some little pieces out of a advanced boardwalk game, but they didn't have an inventory number. And I remembered why they didn't have an inventory number. Because when I did my inventory and I got all organized back there when COVID first shut us all down, I couldn't figure out what they were. I couldn't figure out what the parts were. And I think I got rid of them because I didn't think that they actually were listed. And they were, because they sold. And I don't have another advanced boardwalk game, so I don't know what to do. Anyway, that's it. That's everything for this shipping video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.